Ijuju no strong. Ijuju no strong. I will start with that Hundeyin. David Hundeyin. They say you are owing you England £96,000. I suggest you open GoFundMe. Make people like me now can help your life. Let me tell you people. That's why I say all these journalist people, all the people that lie to you people, they give you surface nonsense sensationalism. We need revolutionary journalists, not be sensational journalists where they talk news, don't know if it change anything, like saying I thought listen, these journalists, these people, this David Hundeyin, what they write is the wishes of private sector elites. They use them, all this David Hundeyin, the private sector elites, will no support present government. You understand? Because even among the elites, there's a divide. Some elites are PDP, some elites are APC, some are LP. They're like that. You understand? So if you're not in power, the government is not listening to you, but you need some things to be done for you. You go to all these journalists. They start writing all these hit pieces. It's called a hit piece against the government, so that when the government now does something for those private sector people, now they can also now start praising them. It's a game. These people believe they are eating from the private sector. That's why Aisha Yusuf can't fight me, because I talk say private sector is spoiling Nigeria. VDM right now is fighting for an old lady that Access Bank disappear her 500 million. Is Access Bank a government company? Can a government get Access Bank? Now politicians now get Access Bank. Although they have investments there, but I'm just saying that's a private sector business. Our electricity income is only government now that we blame. How many years have they been? This private sector have been running it. All we are seeing is increment of bill. The more they deregulate petrol, the increment of bill. The more these private sector people enter any business. Our education, because they don't see money for LP, gather, go send their own pikin, go school for abroad. Abi, we will not pay attention to the nonsense high cost of education in Nigeria due to private sector education. So they start to use them. They are pressure. These people are pressure, working for the elites to pressurize government when they need government to do things for them. That's all. That's all they do. They are not real journalists. He carry that behavior now. He go try with British journalists, and they find you for Nigeria. You don't get sense. You they hide. Where you go wrong, go last now is England. You the old base there of 96 Bay now. So I hope you have that base, because they are coming for you. This law case, so when they do so, I hope you know it's all part of a plan. They are coming for you, bro. They don't want me to get where to run. You are being exposed. A British court say you are a lie journalist. You are a liar of a journalist. Sorry, and they talk out. When you write that piece against, they say you are a liar of a journalist. Show low talk. You date Twitter, they make noise. Now a court of law has found you liable of up to £96,000. But maybe all this your goddamn one they shaky follow. They man body for maybe they will be able to gather it for you. You okay. You have been exposed now as a journalist. You have now no credibility. No credibility. So whoever take you serious in the world of journalism, Mr. Oga. Mr. Oga. You don't even get money, employ lawyer to go defend you for the England. You don't even get money to go pay lawyer. You are there, defenseless. You couldn't even appear in the court. In a court of law, they have opened you out. Absolutely. You lie. I know why he did it. That journalist did imagine. We all as this elite, they are coons. Understand this shit. These people are coons. They live for lies. This British journalist now, come Nigeria, came to expose sex for grades. The BBC documentary, Sex for Grades. It's there for YouTube. We all as Nigerians, we know this thing is a fact. We know it is a fact. It is a fact as the fact that the sun comes up every day, prof. That our children are being molested in these institutions. That our children are being molested. This came out. And they did a documentary exposing. I think who watched the documentary? They cast these lecturers cast themselves, prof. My people, as I told you, they have no respect for our women. They have no respect for our children. How can they respect us? They are just using you to dominate the closest things to you, your women and your children, to make them think that. That's why African women are saying African men are this, because you have been brainwashed by these people to dominate instead of cooperate with your women and your children. African men, grow up. Grow up. You can't be in schools fucking young girls for grades. Then leave that job. Go and do something else and look for prostitutes. Don't turn our young girls into this kind of things. Don't diminish us like this. It is a shame. It is a big stain on our conscience as a nation that these things happen and it's still happening. They are catching them every day, left, right, and center. Now that these girls are getting, they are now, at least some of them are brave enough to come out. They are getting brave, they are coming out, they are exposing all you motherfuckers. They did this documentary. David Hundeyin, he went to go and write that the journalist is fucking the girl. That's why he did documentary to prove that is the girl that they are because he's fucking the girl. He's trying to, and the girl did not pass. He's trying to use the girl. The girl is using the journalist to tarnish the image of the lecturer because they don't pay her money. You know, to now attack the BBC journalist that expose. Just the way I exposed, I didn't even expose. I just said Nigeria, there's no made in Nigeria car. We assemble car. Nobody won't tell me anything. No car is made in Nigeria. That's all I said. Anybody that has sense, that knows that Nigeria does not make car. There's no patent for a Nigerian engine. A Nigerian made engine. We don't even have a steel mill. How can we be the ones making the car when we don't have a steel mill to process the steel to build the chassis of this car? It is common sense. Everybody in Nigeria knows this common sense, but Innocent wants all Nigerians to believe that he makes car in Nigeria. You see how they impose their will, the status quo, how they feel they are so powerful, more powerful than fact, more powerful than truth, that they can bend the wheel of reality. And this African elite, now no one get that power. You know, be Bill Gates, you know, be Elon Musk. Now those ones get that power. You know, see the kind of technology they get, where they develop with their people. Can you invest in your own people like that? You know, why you invest like that? You want to change reality by with David Hundeyin. So just the way everybody knows there's sex for grades in our school and BBC exposed it. That's just the way everybody knows Nigeria doesn't make car. Now David Hundeyin, now he attack me. Now he say attack the British journalist. Then that one carry and go court for a country.
Because you say, you know.
You know, say good for them. You know, go answer us. Me, you go say you go. If you can't go for Twitter, say we won't use government. Fight time. We are we go loud another lie. Say we are working with Tinubu to bring him down. You go loud another lie. You go turn you to Tinubu. Go say you don't go do one for where they are. That one they don't hold 96 bay. You okay? Go and pay your bill, Oniro. They say that lie is 96. What 96,000 pounds? We run here, we will like it's 96. That's why you go Oxford, go disgrace. Why do you always like go disgrace yourself for England? That's why you go Oxford University, they pursue you. Say, what go do book review? They read this book is not a get out. They pursue you outside. I talk, I say, oh my, this one by one, I saw that they drop like fly. As anybody will try me, because I am with the ancestor secret service. That ass. Now no one understand. I ancestor secret service dey my back. But